Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It channel, and let's talk about the latest announcement from Qualcomm. So Qualcomm, that makes ARM processors that are powering most of our phones, basically, and ARM architecture is also in many other aspects of our technology. The latest to be announced is the new Qualcomm 888 chip and architecture. So this one is going to actually have a ARM Cortex X1 CPU, and this promises to actually ramp up the power of the ARM chips a lot. So that means the next generation of smartphones might be actually a lot more powerful. What they say is that with the new architecture, the new way that it is actually designed, the Qualcomm 888 chipset will actually be able to give you 25% more performance over the last chipset and 25% more power efficiency. We know that one of the biggest problems with our devices is how long the battery lasts, and part of that has to do with the power consumed by the CPU. Well, they are, of course, improving once again upon the power consumption of their chips. So more power and more power for computing and less power will be needed at the same time for such a high task. So this is going to be interesting to see how the devices, the smartphones in 2021 that will come out with this new chipset will actually perform. So this was announced last week, and we're of course going to keep an eye on this and see how well this performs. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.